Hey everyone, it's Cass from the Perris Library, and we are on our 4th week of the summer reading program. So that means this week is Yellow Week. So this week we are going to be making some yellow pom-pom emoji keychains. If you went to the Perris Library, that means you picked up a craft kit, and all you need is some scissors and glue. So please have a parent or guardian help you if you need assistance. Your craft kit should look like this and have all this material in it. And then all you need is some scissors and some glue, and this is the glue I'll be using. So right away we will be getting started. These are the things that should be in your craft kit. We're going to grab one of our strings and grab our cardboard and evenly put it in half so it looks like this, and then grab your yarn ball and start wrapping around that area. You don't have to use the whole yarn ball, you can just use part of it or however much you want to use. Once you're satisfied with what you have, just cut it right then and there, and you're going to grab the string that we have on the other side and just make a nice tight knot, really tight. I tied it twice for extra protection. You can do the same as well. Once everything is secured, you can start cutting your pom-pom. After you're done doing that, grab the other string and you're going to want to tighten it up again where you had it tight, just for extra measures, you know. And in order for this pom-pom to be a keychain, I tied a long piece of yarn that was hanging out and I put it onto the keychain to secure it. After securing it, just even out the pom-pom to make it look more round and start cutting off any excess yarn. Now you should have some felt paper and you can cut off any faces, and these are just inspiration to see what you would want to do. These are the little faces I made, and I ended up gluing the little happy face with the sunglasses just because I thought that one's the cutest. And this is what you should end up with. I hope you guys had fun, and I can't wait to do our next craft, but let's move on to a book recommendation for this video. Our first book is We Didn't Ask for This by Adi Al-Said. In this story, you'll find yourself reading more than one main character. All their stories fall in the same place and event. It's really interesting getting everyone's perspective. With all the twists in the plot, you are sure to want to read this book in one sitting. Our next book is American Born Chinese by Jean Lun Yong. In this book, you get 3 stories that all tie in together. This book touches base on immigration, family culture, and what it's like being a kid during a major transition. You are sure to laugh at a lot of parts and understand the message that is being sent. For more information on these books or books like this, please visit our website. There you'll find all types of resources we offer in all our Riverside County branches near you. Thank you for watching!